Watching the tropics closely as a potential storm is developing, and it could bring heavy rain and wind to South Florida. Good evening, I'm Carly Barnett. Next, weather meteorologist Dave Warren is standing by with everything that we need to know about this. So Dave, what can we expect this week?
Yeah, well, we want to watch this closely here because what we can expect first is for it to move north and then turn to the west here. So it is just an area that is being investigated. It is right there, an area of low pressure expected to develop, and this is the region here where it could develop. Notice it goes north and then turns west. There is the coast of Florida here. The development potential is high. Likely we'll see this continue to develop and then become a potential storm or even a tropical depression or storm here over the next few days. These are the forecast models. Good agreement, it goes north and then makes a sharp turn to the west. High pressure builds into the north. So that turn is what we'll be watching Monday to Tuesday, Tuesday to Wednesday. As it continues to move west, it starts to turn north. Exactly where that happens will be key here, and especially as it drifts south just a bit. Thursday to Friday, good agreement, it moves north and moves out of here. But as it gets a little closer, the heavy rain and wind begins to move in. As that low tracks towards Florida, we can expect to see the winds picking up, heavy rain, and coastal flooding will be a problem. We have a full moon and a persistent northeast wind that'll increase in speed here by the middle of this coming week. What we know right now is that Tuesday to Friday, we'll see gusty winds, some coastal flooding, and very heavy rain. What we have to watch for is the exact details on the intensity of this storm, the location where it makes that west turn, and the development of it as it continues to push to the west through the Bahamas. What you need to do is stay tuned to these forecasts. We have updates coming in. They'll likely start to take reconnaissance flights here and get new information coming in so we can fine-tune this forecast here this coming week. The forecast tonight is for showers mainly in the Keys that have been moving through the area. They've been pushing in from east and moving to the west. Right now, it's a little heavier in the lower Keys. Could be a few around overnight tonight, but by the time the sun comes up tomorrow morning, seeing partly cloudy skies, the breeze is there, and enough moisture to give us a few showers moving through the area here this evening. I'll look at the king tide, the flooding times there with the high tides, and take you through the rest of the weekend, the start of the week, with the complete forecast, even a look at the election day forecast. That's when I come back.
All right, Dave, we'll check back with you soon. Turning now to that breaking news.